Your hot friends, greeting from Grandma Zaida's house. Mommy's eating chips. So I filmed a makeup tutorial look, and I'm gonna have my grandmother do the voiceover. I'm gonna walk her through, tell her what she gotta do. She's gonna watch it, and y'all gonna hear firsthand from Grandma Zaida's mouth her doing my voiceover. Don't talk back. Anyway. Before we get into this, it's not going to be this makeup look. It's like this glitter wing that I did the other day. A clip did accidentally get deleted. It was like the eyeshadow application, but I literally only used 2 colors. But if you have any questions in regards to what products that I used, all the information will be linked down below. The glitter that I used is called Crazy Girl by Bolieve Beauty. I'll also have that link down below. If you use code BkSheDevil, you'll save 20%. Hopefully you guys like this. Ma, you ready?
Well.
Okay, so tell me I'm pretty.
She's beautiful.
Thank you.
With no makeup. Well, now she start putting a mask.
My mask. You know what that's called right there, Mommy? What that is?
No.
What do you think it's called?
I don't know.
It's called primer.
Primer?
Primer, yeah. You put that on first before the eyeshadow.
Like the paint?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I didn't know that you could work around that paint like that.
Yep. So then I did my eyeshadow already. Now I'm doing my liner.
Oh my God. Look at that. Blue?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, I was trying to be cute. Can you do a wing like that?
Yeah, if I want to. Look at that. Oh
what?
My God. Why do you make it so big?
I like big things.
No, oh, I know that.
That's my little one. Normally I do it bigger.
No.
That's my little wing. See?
Oh, that's beautiful. Fantastic.
I made a mistake though. I messed up right there, Ma.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna add brillo.
Brillo too for what?
On top of it to make it pretty. Look. So that's glue.
Oh, that's glue?
Not like glue from school. That's eyelash glue. That's what makes the glitter stick, Ma.
Oh, okay. You have to explain to me because I don't know. I was thinking that glue from regular glue from school.
No, Mommy. It's glue from the eyelash. It's safe for your
You
eyes.
make a mistake there.
I fixed it.
You fixed it.
Now look, your favorite part.
Oh my God.
You like the big lashes.
Oh, mira, pa, it's so big. I know you like big.
I like big lashes and big wings.
I like whatever.
I like them big like that. I like
pestaña. Mira
pestaña.
Mira pa, que pestañas grandes. Mira pa.
I'm cute.
Ave
So
María.
what's that I'm putting on my face?
And what is that?
What's that? What you think it is?
Oyo?
No, Mommy. It's primer.
Primer too?
Yeah, you gotta put primer so you keep your skin from getting a bunch of like manchas and pimples.
I didn't know that you're supposed to put
Yep. Now what do you think that is, Mom?
primer.
No. No, Mommy, that's a highlighter.
Highlighter.
Yes. To give me a glow. What do you think that is?
Lipstick.
That's not lipstick, Ma.
But what is that?
What do I put lipstick on my cheeks for?
I don't know.
On my cheeks, Ma? What do you think that little...
They don't come out.
It's not supposed to come out, Mommy. I'm blending it. It's blending.
Oh,
I'm
you
blending.
blended it like the blender over there for the milkshake.
No, not a blender for a milkshake, Mommy. Now what's that I'm putting on?
Makeup.
¿Por qué?
Polvo.
No, eso no polvo.
¿Qué?
Líquido. That's liquid, Ma.
Oh, you put liquid makeup on your face?
Yes.
My.
What's the what? I'm cute.
I didn't know that you put all that thing.
That's not even a lie.
And now what's that?
What do you think that is, Ma?
Primer.
That's not... No, Ma. Concealer. That's so I can look awake. That I don't look at the dark circles under my eyes.
How do you call it?
Concealer. And you gotta blend it.
Concealer and blend it.
With a little sponge.
Oh my God.
Well, I'm cute.
Mira.
Mira qué. Mommy, don't hate. I'm cute.
What is that now?
Polvo.
Regular makeup?
That's to like put on top of the concealer so that it doesn't move. So it locks it in place.
And that way, even if it rain, they don't get out?
Yep. No matter what, I could go swimming, my makeup don't come off. For real.
Yeah, you got primer, like with the painting.
What do you think this is? What am I doing here?
Primer?
That's not primer, Mom.
What it is?
Bronzer.
Bronzer?
Bronzer, yes. That's so I can make me look nice and tanned.
If you want to be nice and tan, so why you don't go to the beach?
Because I can go to the beach every day, Ma.
And like you get black.
Who gonna get black? What's
What-
that spray?
What is spray for?
To lock it in place. ¿Y qué es eso, ma?
I don't know what's that.
Say highlight.
The highlighter for what?
To make me look shiny. Look, I look wet.
And you go through with all that thing every day?
So I could be cute, hell yeah.
And what is that? A pencil, regular pencil?
No, mommy, it's a makeup pencil. I wouldn't use a regular pencil on my eyeballs.
Why not?
Because that's not safe. I gotta use the one that's safe for your eyes, ma.
I would think the old pencil they would say for your eyes.
But for like Crayola? No. What do you mean? You? It's not funny, ma.
So you can buy that in the regular
No, mom, you gotta buy that in the pharmacy, ma.
99-cent store.
Ay, yo. And look what's that?
It looks nice.
Right? I look like a mamacita.
And now what is that?
That's to highlight my inner corner so my eyes look nice and big.
What? Your eyes is big.
Don't talk about my eyes, ma.
Mira pa' ahí, mira pa' ahí.
What? That's lip liner. You use lip liner. What do you mean, mira pa' ahí?
I used it when I was younger. I don't use that now.
This so I could be cute.
Oh my God.
Why are you saying, oh my God, like you would just...
How many?
Lipstick. What's the problem with lipstick, ma?
That lipstick? That's
Yes.
not primer?
That's not primer, ma. And what's that?
Oil?
Oil. It gloss. And then look.
It glow? And you keep it wet in your face.
That's setting spray.
No, that's water.
That's not water, ma. That's a $40 bag of water.
How much?
40.
So where it is? I'm gonna keep it. It's a gimme.
I don't have it here, ma.
I'm gonna keep it. $40?
Ma,
All right, so that wraps up this. Grandma does my not grandma does my makeup. Grandma does my voiceover. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Did she do a good job, etc., etc.? I look washed out. Okay, there we go. A little bit of, let's relax. And that's it. Again, like, comment, subscribe. All information will be down below. Shop my merch. If you don't have a YUUURRRR shirt, do better. Just do better at this point. And until next time, I love you guys so much.